Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hello, car enthusiasts and DIY mechanics. When it comes to lifting your vehicle, choosing between bottle jacks and floor jacks can be crucial. In this comprehensive comparison guide, we're exploring the differences between bottle jacks and floor jacks. Join us as we analyze their strengths, applications, and when to use each type, empowering you to make the right choice for your lifting needs. Bottle jacks versus floor jacks. Which one to use and when? When it comes to lifting heavy vehicles or machinery, having the right equipment is crucial. Bottle jacks and floor jacks are two commonly used tools for this purpose, but each has its strengths and limitations. In this post, we'll explore the differences between bottle jacks and floor jacks, and discuss when to use each type of jack based on the specific requirements of the job. Understanding the distinctions between these two types of jacks will help you make informed decisions when it comes to lifting and supporting heavy loads. Understanding bottle jacks and floor jacks. Bottle jacks and floor jacks are common tools used for lifting vehicles and heavy equipment. Understanding the differences between these two types of jacks is essential for knowing when to use each one effectively. What are bottle jacks? Bottle jacks, also known as piston jacks, are hydraulic jacks that are shaped like a bottle. They are compact, easy to store, and capable of lifting heavy loads. Bottle jacks are commonly used for lifting vehicles such as cars, trucks, and trailers. These jacks are operated by manually pumping the handle, which forces hydraulic fluid into the jack, causing the lift saddle to rise. They come in various weight capacities, making them suitable for a wide range of lifting needs. What are floor jacks? Floor jacks, also referred to as trolley jacks, are versatile lifting devices commonly found in automotive repair shops, garages, and for personal use. They consist of a horizontal piston that moves up and down, supported by four wheels for easy maneuverability. Floor jacks are operated by pumping a handle to move the piston, which lifts the vehicle. They are available in different weight capacities and heights, allowing them to be used for various lifting purposes. Both bottle jacks and floor jacks have their own advantages and use cases, and understanding the specific features and functions of each type is crucial for making the right choice in different lifting scenarios. Differences between bottle jacks and floor jacks. Design and structure. Bottle jacks are taller and more cylindrical compared to the lower profile design of floor jacks, allowing them to fit into tight spaces, making them suitable for lifting higher vehicles. On the other hand, floor jacks feature a longer frame that provides stability and a wider lifting range, making them ideal for lower vehicles. Lifting capacity. Bottle jacks typically offer a higher lifting capacity compared to floor jacks, making them suitable for heavier vehicles and equipment. Floor jacks, while versatile, may have a lower lifting capacity, making them more appropriate for lighter vehicles. Stability and safety. Floor jacks offer more stability due to their wide base and lower center of gravity, reducing the risk of tipping over during use. Bottle jacks, due to their narrower base, require additional caution to ensure stability when lifting heavy loads. Portability and storage. Bottle jacks are more compact and easier to transport, making them convenient for on-the-go repairs or emergencies. Floor jacks, while less portable, often come with built-in wheels for easier maneuverability and can be stored in a horizontal position to minimize space requirements. When to use bottle jacks. Bottle jacks are indispensable tools for a wide range of applications, particularly those that require heavy lifting. Their versatility makes them suitable for various tasks, and their design provides unique advantages that make them essential in certain situations. Suitable applications. Bottle jacks are ideal for lifting cars, trucks, trailers, and other heavy vehicles for repairs and maintenance. Their compact size and high weight capacity make them excellent for industrial and construction use, such as supporting heavy structures or lifting equipment. Additionally, they are commonly used in agricultural settings for tasks like supporting the weight of large machinery. Advantages of bottle jacks. One of the primary advantages of bottle jacks is their ability to lift heavy loads with minimal effort. Their hydraulic mechanism allows for precise control and lifting capacity, making them highly suitable for demanding tasks. Furthermore, their compact size enables them to fit into tight spaces that other jacks might struggle to reach. Additionally, the adjustable height feature of bottle jacks provides flexibility in various applications, allowing for controlled and stable lifting. In summary, the unique design and capabilities of bottle jacks make them indispensable for lifting heavy loads, supporting vehicles and machinery, and providing stability in various industrial, construction, and agricultural settings. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. When to use floor jacks. Floor jacks are best suited for a wide range of applications, making them a versatile choice for various maintenance and repair tasks. Whether you're working on your car, truck, or SUV, a floor jack provides the stability and lifting capacity needed to safely elevate the vehicle for maintenance, repairs, or tire changes. Suitable applications. Floor jacks are ideal for tasks that require lifting heavy loads, such as changing tires, performing brake repairs, conducting undercarriage inspections, replacing suspension components, conducting oil changes, adjusting exhaust systems. Floor jacks offer several advantages that make them a popular choice for automotive enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. Stability. Floor jacks provide a stable base, allowing for secure lifting and support of vehicles during maintenance procedures. Lifting capacity. With their hydraulic mechanisms, floor jacks can lift heavy vehicles to a suitable height for maintenance tasks, offering the necessary clearance for working under the vehicle. Maneuverability. Many floor jacks are designed with casters, allowing for easy movement and positioning in a garage or workspace. Durability. Constructed from sturdy materials, floor jacks offer long-term reliability and safety during vehicle maintenance. Versatility. Floor jacks can accommodate a range of vehicles, from compact cars to larger trucks, making them a versatile tool for any garage or workshop. Accessibility. They provide easy access to various components underneath the vehicle, facilitating efficient maintenance and repairs. In summary, floor jacks are a valuable tool for a wide range of automotive maintenance tasks, providing stability, lifting capacity, and versatility to efficiently complete repairs and inspections on various types of vehicles. Choosing the right jack for your needs. Considerations for vehicle type. When selecting the appropriate jack for your needs, it's crucial to consider the type of vehicle you'll be working on. For smaller vehicles with lower ground clearance, a floor jack may be more suitable due to its ability to slide under the vehicle with ease. On the other hand, for larger vehicles such as trucks or SUVs, a bottle jack's high lifting capability may be more efficient. Understanding the requirements of your specific vehicle type is essential in making the right choice. Frequency of use. The frequency of jack usage also plays a significant role in determining the most suitable option. If you anticipate frequent use, investing in a durable and long-lasting jack becomes imperative. For occasional use, a more budget-friendly option may suffice. Assessing the frequency of use will aid in selecting a jack that aligns with your usage patterns, ensuring optimal efficiency and longevity. Budget and longevity. Budget constraints can heavily influence the jack selection process. While a floor jack may be more cost-effective for some, a bottle jack might prove to be a better long-term investment due to its robust construction. It's essential to weigh the initial cost against the projected longevity of the jack, taking into account factors such as maintenance requirements and durability. Balancing your budget with the longevity of the jack is crucial in making a well-informed decision. In summary, when choosing between bottle jacks and floor jacks, considering the vehicle type, frequency of use, budget, and longevity is key to selecting the most suitable jack for your specific needs. Each factor plays a pivotal role in ensuring efficient and effective lifting operations, tailored to your unique requirements. In conclusion, the choice between bottle jacks and floor jacks depends on the specific requirements of the task at hand. For quick tire changes and general maintenance, a floor jack may be more practical due to its ease of use and maneuverability. However, for lifting heavier vehicles and providing greater stability, a bottle jack may be the preferred option. Understanding the distinct advantages of each jack will enable you to make an informed decision based on the demands of the job. Thanks for joining us as we compared bottle jacks versus floor jacks. By understanding their differences and applications, you're better equipped to select the right jack for your specific vehicle lifting needs. Stay tuned for more insightful automotive comparisons and tips. Remember, choosing the right jack ensures both safety and efficiency. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.